Hey, we're right downtown in the breezeway at CNS Next. I'm Carol Kelso with Thomasville Today, and look who we have here today, Brian Watt with Project Backyard. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Can't wait to hear what you have to tell us. First, let's cover a little bit Project Backyard. How'd you get started? What is Project Backyard?
Well, it's a bit of a long story, but I'll make it short as I can. So it started back in 2012, and it was part of an organization called One Heartbeat, and so it was really birthed out of a desire to see unity in the community, as well as trying to create an awareness for needs that exist in our local community. And so a girl named Amy Bolin and I started it, and it went from about 22 volunteers in September 2012 to over 2,000 a couple years later.
Wow, that's
so it
unreal.
was pretty amazing
Yes.
how it started. So.
And Project Backyard, how you started, what, food boxes?
So yeah, Project Backyard, we do monthly service projects.
Okay.
It kind of varies each month what those projects look like because it's really based on the needs that exist in the community. So it could be from anything from a food distribution or clothes distribution. It could be partnering with a local nonprofit and helping them around their facility with some landscaping or cleaning the inside of their facility, or maybe helping them with a project that they have going on. It could be cleaning up a yard for an elderly lady.
Wow.
Building wheelchair ramps. I mean, it's as long as we have the capability of doing it, and our volunteers have the capability of doing it, we'll try to tackle that project.
So you've got a project coming up in August. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so August 20th, we're doing a service project out at Douglas High School in partnership with the Douglas High School Alumni Association. So we've partnered with them over the last 5 years. Their facility is an old high school and an old middle school, actually. And now they have a vision to see that facility become a community center. And so they already have nonprofits that are housed out of there and several businesses that are housed out of there. And then the outside of their facility is used by the surrounding community, the children, all of that. So we're going to go and do a landscaping project out there, beautify the outside of it, and then kind of give their playground a facelift. And that'll be an ongoing project. So we'll start it on August 20th, and then we finish it on September 24th.
Okay, so that's basically a month long.
Yeah.
Lots of volunteers. I know you started with 2,000, but you can never have enough volunteers with Project Backyard, as well as all the other community outreach that y'all do.
Yeah.
So how do we contact you to volunteer or find out more about this?
Well, so we've had 2,000, well actually closer to 3,000 volunteers serve with us since we began, but that doesn't mean we get 2,000 or 3,000 volunteers every time. So we definitely need volunteers, whether it is coming and serving as a family, coming and serving with your basketball team, or maybe you need community service hours for your school, or maybe it's through your church. We welcome all volunteers. So the way to sign up and find out about more events is projectbackyard.com//serve.
That's easy.
So so you can go there and you can see all the upcoming events that we have and sign up to volunteer.
All right, Brian, Project Backyard, what grabbed your heart, 13 years ago, and was the impetus to move you forward with all of this?
Well, it really came out of a desire to see unity in our community. We know that God's heart is for his people to be unified. It's all throughout Scripture, and we know that in order to meet the needs of our community, we have to work together. And we just believe that we're stronger together than apart, and it's right in Scripture. Actually, our theme verse is Isaiah 58:10, and it says, "If you spend yourself in behalf of the hungry and satisfy the needs of the oppressed, your light will rise in the darkness, and your night will become like the noonday."
Wow,
so
perfect.
we talk about wanting to be a light for the Lord, a light in our community, and the best way to do that is to serve people and to do it together. So that's really the heartbeat behind Project Backyard.
That's a great heartbeat. That's what makes you, and Project Backyard is what makes our community such a great and wonderful and fun place to live.
Absolutely.
And we love how we serve each other in
right.
community. Thank you so much, Brian.
It's an honor to be here. Thank you.
All right, we look forward to August 20th. That's a Saturday. If you need to get in touch, remember it's projectbackyard.com @douglashighschool.org/serve. And we'll look forward to seeing you there at Douglas High School on Martin Luther King. Remember, we may not always know where we're going to be or what we will be doing, but we do know it will be fun.